Hello, this is Tony Callas. One of our customers just purchased this 993 RS, and the engine had just been gone through, and there's way too much glue on everything. The reason why it's apart are the case through bolt seals are leaking. The whole engine was apart except for the case. So basically the top end and the piston and cylinders. But the case through bolts were not touched. The case through bolt O-rings were not touched. We cannot get these pistons and cylinders off because the cylinders are glued on to the engine case. That's how bad it is right now. Also, and after $50,000 being spent, we're a little surprised that the valve guides are as worn out as they are. So they have about 50 thou in play, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. See how much play are on those valve guides? So there you go. Be careful of what you're buying, folks. Thank you.